Welcome to Module 5.9, Integration Fundamentals. At the heart of mixed methods, research lies integration, the meaningful combination of qualitative and quantitative elements. In this session, we'll define integration, explore the different levels where it can occur, and examine some of the common challenges researchers face when trying to bring their data and methods together. Integration refers to the intentional interconnection of quantitative and qualitative components in a mixed method study. It's more than just using both methods in the same project. It's about actively linking the data, analyses, and interpretations. This is the actual mixing in mixed methods. Strong integration is essential for methodological quality, allowing researchers to generate insights that would be impossible from a single method alone. Integration can take many forms and occur at different levels, from initial design choices to final interpretation of results. Integration can occur at multiple levels throughout the research process. At the design level, decisions are made about when and how the methods will interact, sequentially, concurrently, or embedded. At the methods level, integration might involve sampling strategies or linked data collection processes. At the data level, researchers may merge or compare data sets. At the analysis level, this could involve transforming one type of data to match another or linking findings across data sets. Finally, interpretation level integration brings everything together in a unified explanation or narrative. Effective mixed methods studies often integrate at multiple levels to build coherence and depth. Despite its benefits, integration comes with challenges. One major issue is paradigmatic difference. Combining approaches rooted in different philosophical traditions can create tension. Researchers also need methodological expertise in both quantitative and qualitative methods, which can be demanding. Data transformation, such as turning narrative data into numerical codes, can be complex and may oversimplify rich information. Another challenge is managing discrepant findings. When the two methods produce conflicting results, interpretation becomes difficult. Lastly, reporting constraints, such as word limits or journal expectations, can limit your ability to fully describe integration processes. Awareness of these challenges helps researchers design studies that are both methodologically sound and practically feasible.